Hey guys, what's going on? Coach Eric here. So for today's challenge is I want to be talking about cooking in bulks, right? And there's a lot of good things that, a lot of good theories behind why you should try to cook in bulks, just because time is critical and we know that time is very precious in this fast-paced society. So especially if you're trying to really focus on your health and fitness goals, we need to really sit there and be very productive within the context of our time, our daily schedule. So I'm always going to say cook your food in bulks. And you want to know when the magical day to do that is? Sundays. Sundays you should be cooking all kinds of food, right? Protein, carbs, and fat sources, right? So what you could do too is you can pretty much break it down like this. So if you have your proteins, and everyone's gonna have like their different choices. So if I want to cook proteins, I would do some chicken, then beef, and then fish. I would cook that all in bulks, right, to last me at least 5 to 7 days worth, right? Maybe even 3 days is fine. Then I would do carb sources, right? So for me, I like doing rice, pasta, and then potatoes. So again, I'm gonna cook enough so I can meal prep and it'll last me at least 3 to 5 days. Last one is fat sources. And just to be clear on that, you don't really have to cook fat sources in bulks because they're just a lot more dense. So don't really focus on the fat sources. It's more about cooking proteins and carb sources because that does take a little bit more time. And then those are really, really important too, just for the whole context of meal prep. So again, guys, whatever day you want to do, doesn't have to be Sunday. Just figure out a day in the week that works best for you, that you have some downtime, at least an hour, 2 hours to do some sort of cooking in bulk. So then you're very prepared for the week, okay? So stay tuned for the next challenge. If you guys have any questions regarding cooking in bulks, please shoot us an email or even ask the question in the Facebook. Cheers.